Hi, this is Mountfield RB150. Mountfield engine. Mountfield. Just want to know, this was bought over here. Trying to get my words right. Think what I'm saying. The gardener bought this from somewhere else over the island somewhere. I can't say where, but I know where. And the man said it was for service. So the gardener bought this mower instead of me. So he bought his mower. Then he started, but when he got home, he couldn't get it started. So he brought it to me to have a look at it. I thought, let's have a look. Got a switch on these, and you got a dead man's handle. So I had a look. So when you press the lever, it worked for me. When you tried it, when you let go, it didn't work. So what I done, I said, well, this is generally just today on this mower. So I thought, well, give it a kiss. The gardener said to the gardener, give it a kiss. So the gardener gave it a kiss. So I had the lever down, and it started up. So you could start it. So that was good. He went away. He started it right, then he came back. It won't start. I said, have you given it a kiss? No, the gardener said. I replied, oh, you need to give it a kiss then. Don't do it again. Yeah. So the gardener gave it a kiss. So as another look, it started. Anyway, went away a little bit, yeah. So what I'm saying, so he's got his motor. He said, the man said it's all been serviced. So I checked it. The blade was blunt, dirty oil. The air filter was dirty. Underneath was dirty. I thought, yeah, this has not been serviced. So I'm going to call this lawnmower a scam lawnmower. So when I'm going to put this on YouTube, it will be on YouTube. I'm going to put scam. So it hasn't been before. Service. This spots are got brown and dusty. There we are. I checked it. Put a new belt cover on. Then the touch went on it. Thought, the touch cable would come out. Well, I thought he hadn't checked it at all. So what I done it myself. I went right through it like a fine tooth comb or needle in the eye stack, whatever you want to call it. Or top to bottom, left to side. Every single bit I went through this mower. Anyway, I can't touch this mower. You just touched it off this convoy that wire's going around. I don't touch that. So I won't start it up. So you know what they sound like anyway. But it's running nice now, so it's fine. Thanks for listening to me. Bye. Keep safe and well if you can. And please remember to wash your hands every time with soap and water. That's the best stuff. Bye.